Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at how to mark and manage your waypoints on the Garmin Monterra. A couple different ways to mark a waypoint. The easiest way is right here from the main menu where you can just select the icon that says Mark Waypoint. When you select that, it's going to bring you to this screen and you have a few different options along the bottom. First one is OK, that's going to save your waypoint. Second one is Average, which we'll come back to in a little bit. Over on the left side you have Discard to cancel it, and then the fourth option is Edit, and that'll let you edit the information associated with your waypoint. Now from this screen you can take a picture to use with your waypoint or even use an existing picture. You can change the title, you can change the icon associated with it, you can add a note, you can change the location, and all you need to do is select the field that you want to change, type in whatever you're going to type down there at the bottom, and then hit Done along the top when you're all finished. You can also add other information at the bottom like elevation and depth. So that's one way to save a waypoint on your Monterra. The other way that you can save a waypoint is from your map screen. So if you're here, what you'll do is just select the point that you want to save. When it brings up the coordinates along the top, select that. And then on this screen, along the top border, there's a picture of a disk. When you select that, that's going to bring you back to the same screen that we were on before where you can edit information for your waypoint. Just hit the check mark along the top when you're all done. So those are the different ways in which you can save a waypoint. Here's how you can manage them. Go back to your main menu. You're going to open up your apps and then go to Waypoint Manager. That's going to give you a list of all the waypoints that you have saved on your Monterra. The default title is the date and the time, but it's also going to show you the distance away that waypoint is. So what you can do is you can select any one of these waypoints. It's going to take you back to that edit screen. But we also have some settings from the 3-bar menu in the lower right. And you don't have to be in the Waypoint Manager to get to these settings. You can do this from any of the edit screens that we've seen earlier. So in this list we have Delete, which obviously will delete your waypoint. Second one down is Project New Waypoint. That's going to create another waypoint that is a certain bearing and a certain distance away. So you can create a new waypoint at 38 degrees, 500 yards away, or whatever you want to make that. And just fill in those fields and hit Save when you're all done. Below that is Average Location. That's the same as the average that we saw on the first screen. What that is going to do is increase the accuracy of your waypoint. You can do this 3 to 5 times for each waypoint. You want to space it out at least 90 minutes every time you go there. But you would go to your waypoint, select this feature. It's going to take different readings based on the position of the satellites, and when you do it a few times, increase the overall accuracy. Fourth one down is Find Near Here, so that's just going to take you to your Where To screen. You can select Recent Finds, Waypoints, Photos and Videos, Tracks, or any of the rest of it. Select something there and start a route. Next one down is Set Proximity Alarm, and that's going to ask you to select the size of the radius that you want to surround your waypoint, and it will give you a warning when you are entering that radius. And the final one in the list is Add to Route. So what you can do is take this waypoint that you have selected and add it to a route that you have saved on your GPS. I don't have any route saved right now, so there aren't any results, but that's what that feature is going to do. So that is a quick look at how to make and manage waypoints on your Garmin Monterra.